Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and always being here. So today I'm going to show you how to make these kachumbari or salsa crepes or pancakes. They were so sweet, they slapped harder than my mother slaps, and I love them. I think I'll be eating them on a daily basis. So to start with, I'm using 4 eggs. I'm going to whisk them. Next is some salt. And some sugar to balance all the acidity that will be in these crepes. If you're going to try this recipe, please use some more sugar. If you have a sweet tooth, you can use more sugar. But mine was just to balance the acidity. Next, I'm squeezing in just 1 lemon. And you don't have to use the lemon, but I was going for different flavors. And the lemon did something to the pancakes. They had, I could feel all the flavor. I could taste all the flavors. Next, I'm going in with my vegetables. First is garlic, crushed garlic, then some onions, some tomatoes, some dhania, and some carrots, grated carrots. Let's say the carrots were just for the color, because I don't remember tasting the carrots. They were just for the color. And if you like spices, this is the point. You can add the turmeric, you can add paprika, black pepper, curry powder. You can add any spices of your choice. Then I'm going in with some all-purpose flour. And whisk everything until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Next, some vegetable oil. And then our butter. Okay, you don't have to use three serving spoons like me. You can just use 1 serving spoon if you like it more, how is it called, thinner. But for me, I had no time. Time was not on my side, so I had to make them a little bit thicker. But I made sure they were well cooked on the inside.
much unspoken. Sometimes we're not happy, but we never are broken, are we? Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here, stranded with you. Feeling better since you brought me here, stranded with you. We're surviving together, said I love you forever. I was always meant to be right here, stranded with you. People they call me, tell me I shouldn't leave and just be. They don't see all I see. We barely open. Sometimes we feel lonely, but we never are broken, are we? Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here, stranded with you. Feeling better since you brought me here, stranded with you. We're surviving together, said I love you forever. I was always meant to be right here, stranded with you. Every morning I'ma be right here, stranded with you. Feeling better since you brought me here, stranded with you. We're surviving together, said I love you forever. I was always meant to be right here, stranded with you. Even on an island by ourselves, girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded.